Welcome to another video by Abron Export. This is a water distillation apparatus, monastery type. This is a wall type, all stainless steel made. On the back side, you have to put this stand is there, put it by the screws, fastener to the wall, and then on the back side of the distillation, this stands and hangs like this. There is one more part which is a cup for distillation. You have to put it here. This is starting base, and inside I tell you some parts. This is a heater, one heater on side. There is another heater with the auto system is there. The 220 volt heater is there, and this one is the output for distillation. Water comes out. Here I show you the parts. This one is for cold water, which goes from the tap water. When it rises, it slowly cools the condenser. Inside there is another tube, which is this tube, and steam goes from here to through the tube is this internal tube, and it passes through the condenser, and the distilled water comes out from this section, drop by drop. Two heaters are there on both the sides where you attach the heater, and this one is a earth and positive negative wire, 3-phase wire. This is a single phase heater with a 15 ampere, almost 1500 kilowatt, 900, 1000 watt heaters are there. So you have to connect both the heaters if you want to have an output 4 liters per hour. If you connect only one heater at a time, it will give you 2.5 liter, 3 liter per hour. This one is designed for 4 liter maximum, and the water will automatically, when starting the heater, when you start the instrument, you have to hang it properly, connecting to the both, but do not switch on any of the heater unless you fill it with the water. This is an automatic system continuously. Here it is to be attached to the tap water. Water comes from this section, it goes up and then fills this section. You open this and then fills this section, and slowly it will fill the chamber. And when there is a level is reached, it will come out from this. There is one level on the right side. There is one inside pipe is there. It maintains the level. Hot water, waste water will come out. You have to connect one pipe from here to the waste water. I just showed you the diagram, also working diagrams. What are the parts? This will come with the manual. See this. Waste water comes out from here. Distilled water comes out from lower section. Fresh water goes in, and these are two heaters. There are parts connected. The manual shows you everything. All the parts are there, and then the full manual is there how the working is done. But initially, when the water is filled to the section of this, the water starts coming out. Stop this section, so the water will not go inside. Now you start the heater. After about say 20-30 minutes, the heater will heat the boiling chamber, and slowly the steam will start generating, and steam will slowly, the drop will start coming out from this section. This is the distilled water. When the distilled water is coming out, this will become hotter, little more hotter, and when this becomes hot to the almost more than the center, then you open this stopcock at the time when the almost half of it is hot, and then adjust the water inside going so that the half of it is always cool and upper is hot. So the hot water which is coming, steam is coming out from the lower section, will be condensed to the water, become distilled water, useful distilled water. It can be throughout initial 500 ml and then collect the water. This can work continuously. The hot water will come out continuously from here, and the normal tap water will go completely from here, making it cooler, and slowly it will rise, become hotter water, and then it will enter the chamber, which is very hot. Very easy. This works continuously day and night. You can use it day and night, and when you have to start it, close this lid tightly so that this will be working continuously. If you have to clean it, say about 1 week or 2 weeks, or say about 100 liters of water, the inside demineralized water should be used, or it should be cleaned. This heater should be cleaned, because the silt from the hard water may deposit the inside, and then the water comes out from here. This one, steam goes from here, and these are the parts. heater. Please visit the website and our chamber. These are the, you can send us an email abron01@gmail.com or www.abronexports.com. Happy using this distillation. We have 4 liter, 2 liter, 6 liter, and different models are there in the similar style. This is called monastery type, and another we have the distillation, large distillation and Burston type for the higher distillation. Thank you very much.